Hello, everybody, and welcome to this online audience. I have here with me Paula from Passio Consulting. Myself, I'm Yves Lawrence. I'm responsible for partner marketing at Denodo, and I'll be your host during the breaks coming up. I have a great great partners lined up for those breaks, and hopefully we'll have some a good overview of what the partners are that Denodo has in place and how they help us to address customer needs and requirements. So let me first of all pass it over to Paula. Welcome. Great to have you here at DataFest.
Nice to be here.
Yes, and for the audience that might not be familiar with Passio Consulting, can you give us a little introduction on who you guys are and what you do?
Yeah, sure. So we are a Portuguese consulting company. We are specialized in decision support systems. We help organizations and our customers to becoming more data and AI driven. Okay, through our practices, our areas. We are specialized in data warehousing, where we have data warehousing automation as well. Okay, and business intelligence, predictive analytics, and also machine learning automation. Okay, and of course data virtualization. We make projects in the main industries like retail, telco, banking, insurance, and that's who we are.
Great.
We work with data and transform that in performance to organizations.
A broad range of services, from what I'm hearing, huh? Yeah, that's great. So data virtualization is a key component of the technology that you guys provide to your customers. Mm-hmm. You have this partnership in place with Denodo already for quite a while. Can you talk to us a little bit about the value this partnership with Denodo brings to Passio Consulting?
Yeah, of course. Our journey with Denodo starts 1 year or so ago. Mm-hmm. Okay, so when we realized that data virtualization solution make total sense to our customers. Okay, so we analyze the market, of course, and we choose to partner with Denodo. Okay, and I think that's it. We started training our team. We train and we certificate our team, and together we start to present to our customers the value that and how can Denodo help them with their daily struggles.
Yes, great. Okay. Yeah, and
the last year, that's what we are doing together.
Perfect. Okay, so tell me a little bit more about the types of challenges your customers are facing and how that relates to data virtualization. How does data virtualization help address some of those challenges those customers are facing?
Okay, mostly are integration issues that they have due to data silos. Some of them because of merger and acquisitions. They do now face 2 data warehouses, a lot of disparate data sources, and the data virtualization is a way to rapidly, in an agile way, to integrate all of that data in one place. Okay, and another challenge that they face is the big data initiatives. Of course, they have to integrate structured and unstructured data, and that's where Denodo also helps them. Okay, to integrate structured and unstructured data with the data they already have, and the real-time access to that data in a single point. I think it's key.
Yeah.
For our customers nowadays.
And you talk about real-time access. Yes. I think this is really so important. Knowing like lots of customers, traditionally they rely on ETL processes. But that's moving data, whereas data virtualization leave the data in place.
Exactly. So they don't need anymore to move data from one place to another. And in an agile way, they can access to the information just in the way where the data is.
Yes. And those two technologies are complementary to each other as well, right?
Yes, they are. Yes.
Yeah, so it's not like customers need to make a choice between should I ETL or data virtualization?
No, they do not. For some cases, of course, ETL still makes sense.
Right.
And there are some use cases for that.
Right.
But of course, in the next generation, they have on be more agile and to have more quickly access to data.
So flexibility is a key
Yes,
component.
It's a key component as well.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and quicker time to market, getting access to all the data they need.
Yeah.
Great.
And one aspect that it's also key, it's the way that they have their information managed and governed.
Okay.
Because nowadays it's a challenge as well that our customers have, how to integrate all of this kind of data, but integrate them in a manageable and governed way.
Right.
Concerning
Yes.
to the GDPR, and not only GDPR, but it's very important to take track of the data in governance.
Yes, yes. And this is also where Denodo has this capability around the data catalog to complement the data virtualization solution, which is a great part of the technology that helps address some of those challenges that you just highlight, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. In fact, we're going to have also Colibra here. I'm not sure if you already met them. So they...
Not yet, but I will.
Yes, yes, that's great. So we want to make sure that data virtualization platform offered by Denodo is a very open environment, and so that's how we are looking to work with a bunch of other technology partners as well, Colibra being one of them, to provide the best of breed solutions for customers. Well, hey, Paula, thank you so much for talking to me. Looking forward to a great event together with you.
Yeah.
And we'll be seeing much of each other around here today.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Yves.
Okay, thank you.